Dogecoin addresses with 100 million to 1 billion tokens of Dogecoin have recently increased. The whale holdings are increasing. We have been talking about this for a couple of days, and this has impacted the Dogecoin price. Do certain people, do big whales, is there inside information that Dogecoin is about to go up? Is that why the whales are buying? Well, in this video, we are going to be going over this. We're going to be going over the crypto market and what is going to be happening this week, because it is going to be absolutely critical this week for cryptocurrencies. So make sure, if you love cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, you give this video a thumbs up and stay until the very end. So let's get into the video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed with notifications on so you do not miss these videos that will help to make you money in cryptocurrency. So what we can see here, ladies and gentlemen, is the price of Dogecoin actually this past weekend has done some good things. So Dogecoin has done well. When I made the video a couple of days ago, Dogecoin spiked all the way to nearly 7 cents. So that was a pretty big spike. And this is happening because of what the whales are doing. There are some big whales buying up Dogecoin, and that's why we are seeing a pretty big bounce off this bottom here. And even though we've bounced up and come down a bit, we are still pretty significantly high from this bottom here. So cryptocurrencies, honestly, in my opinion, are still very volatile. We are in a bear market, but guess what? Who knows when the bottom is going to be? Who knows when that's going to be the last crash and cryptocurrencies are just going to start spiking up, because that eventually will happen. Now, what we can understand right now is that most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, they've been beaten down, and they are beaten down and have been beaten down because of the traditional markets like the S&P 500, which is just looking absolutely terrible. The S&P 500 has had a massive crash, and this is what is dragging down everything. Cryptos follow the S&P 500. They follow the stock markets, the traditional markets. And those markets are not looking good because we are in a recession. But I do believe here very soon, because cryptocurrencies were created for these specific types of scenarios. The last recession, we had the 2008 housing crash. That's why Bitcoin was created, so that people can put their money into something that is safe, that won't be affected by recessions and government spending and the government's printing as much money as they want to. So although cryptocurrencies are being affected negatively, like the stock market, because of these particular things, I do believe at some point, I don't know how long it's going to take, it can happen any second, but I do believe, and let me know if you agree with me in the comments below, that cryptocurrencies are going to, again, like last year, decouple from the stock market. We saw this last year. There was high inflation and things like that, and guess what? Cryptos were pumping like crazy while stocks were doing nothing and going down and crashing. So that scenario could possibly play out again this year as people are leaving the stock market. That's why the stock market, that's why the S&P 500, which basically is the entire stock market for the most part, that's why it's going down. That's why it's crashing significantly, because people are selling. They're pulling out their money because they understand when the Fed raises interest rates that it crashes the markets, and that's why it's going down. So hopefully cryptocurrencies will actually decouple and start to bounce up. But we are actually potentially at a scenario where the stock market can bounce up. We are at a major support level, which if we get a bounce this week with the S&P 500, which I really hope actually happens, we could get a significant bounce in the crypto market as well. So hopefully that happens, and we're going to continue to monitor the big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, as Dogecoin and a lot of coins follow these coins and the stock market. So we're going to take a look at it. But this is just some very interesting news. Dogecoin surges 7% over the last 5 days as whales accumulate. So whales are accumulating Dogecoin right now. There is no information out there to really suggest why this is happening. But usually when whales are starting to accumulate things, that is a sign of something is most likely going to be taking place here soon, probably over the next couple of weeks. So I'm super excited about that. And there's just a lot of fear and panic in the market. Cryptocurrencies are still significantly down, and when they are down like this, that means that we're probably going to see some bounces here. We're probably going to get to a bottom here eventually, and that is when the most money is made. When you buy things at the bottom, not when you buy things when they're pumping already so high. Things have already crashed significantly, and buying at these levels, in my opinion, will probably pay off here in the future, as happens with any good investment or any good thing that you invest into, like cryptocurrencies over the past 10 years. If you want to get access to the most profitable trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. We are making money every single week. Go ahead and join the Patreon, especially tier 3, where you will get access to all the alerts and you can be a part of the crypto trading community. I also have a new course and mentoring program if you are interested in learning how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies. Go ahead and apply with the link in my video description. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. I will see you all tomorrow, and make sure to check out my new crypto channel, MYLESG Trading. The link for that will be in my video description as well.